Good morning! This is your teacher and your Mommy Jua. Are you excited for today's video? I am excited because we are going to learn about the short Q CVC words. Ah, ah, ah. That's the sound of the short Q. But before we start, let's sing our good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning to you. Good morning. As I was saying before, CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. It is the three-letter word that we read so that we can read more words. It's the first step of reading. And we all know that there are only 5 vowels. And what are those 5 vowels? A, that gives the sound A. E, with the sound E. I, with the sound I. O, with the sound O. And U, with the sound A. While the rest of the letters from the alphabet are called consonants. Let's say the sound of each letter one by one. M, P, S, Q, D, V, X, G, N, R, Y, B, W, J, Z, and L. Good job! Now that we have reviewed the sounds of each letter from the alphabet, it's time to practice reading. CVC words, short U sounds. What is blending? Blending is putting sounds together to make a word. How do you blend the sounds? First, you have to identify the sound, then you put them together, then you can form the word. Pause this video and identify the sounds of each letter. Let's blend the sounds together now. Ready? B, a, g. Bug. 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 A bug is a small insect that often crawls or flies. Bud. 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 A bud is a small part of a plant that will grow into a flower. Bun. 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 A bun is a small round piece of bread that you can eat. Bus. 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 A bus is a big vehicle that carries many people to different places. Cub. 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 A cub is a baby animal like a baby bear or lion. Cup. 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 A cup is a small container used for drinking liquids. Cut. 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 To cut means to use a knife or scissors to divide something into. Fun. 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 Fun means something that is enjoyable and makes you happy. Mud. 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 Mud is a soft, wet earth that gets sticky when it's mixed with water. Nut. 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 Nut is a hard-shelled fruit that can be eaten like an almond or walnut. Pup. 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 A pup is a baby dog or a young animal. Some. Some. Sum. A sum is a total you get when you add numbers together. Sun. 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 The sun is the big bright ball of fire in the sky that gives us light and warmth. Tub. 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 Tub is a big container usually filled with water where you can bath or store things. Good reading! I have your CVC word cards that has the short U sound. We will read it and then we will put clothespin to the correct picture. Are you ready? I'm excited. Okay, let's read. K, a, k, ot, hot, cut. Here's the word cut and the picture cut. Next one. Sh. S and H when they're together makes the sh sound. Sh. Ah. Sh. At. Sh. At. Shut. Shut. Where's the picture shut? This one. Shut the door. Shut. Shut means close. Next is a, at, at, hut. Where's the picture hut? Hut. Okay. And the last one, nut. 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 Is the picture nut? This one. We read all the words. Cut. Shut. Hut. Nut. Good reading. CVC Short U Reading Exercises. B a g, bug, 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 b a n, bun, bun, b a s, bus, bus, c a b, cub, 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 hug, 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 jug, 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 mug, 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 rug, 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 run, 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 sub, 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 sun, 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 tub, tub, tub. Good reading. We have here a picture mat, picture board, and then we will match it to the correct word, CVC word. Okay, let's start with the first one. Let's read rug, 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 rug. Very good. Where's the rug? This one. Next is the word g a m, g a m, gum, gum, gum. Where's the gum? Bubble gum. This one. Let's put the clothespin. Very good. Let's go to the next word. Sun, 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 sun. Where's the sun? Where's the sun? This one, of course. We love the sun. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Okay, last two words. Let's read. R, a, n, r, a, n, r, an, Run. 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 Where's the picture that is running? This one. And the last word is hug. 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 Hug the teddy. Hug. Now let's read all the words again. Sun, run, gum, hug, rug. Very good. Phonics, CVC words, short U sounds. B, n, bun, bun. Mug, 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 mug. Rug, 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 rug. Cub, 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 cub. Hut, 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 hut. Sun, 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 sun. Tub, 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 tub. Cut, 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 cut. Some, 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 some. Bud, 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 bud. Great effort. We certainly did a lot of things today. Thank you for watching Mommy Jewel's video. And if you want to watch more videos like this and learn more things, learn how to read, sing some songs, and learn more lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos and to my channel, of course. This has been your teacher, and your mommy, Mommy Jewel. Let's sing the goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again next time. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again real soon. I hope to see you again real soon. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Love you. Bye.